In this video, I'm going to tell you 6 dye hacks to avoid for skincare. Breakouts be gone. Dye hacks cause more long-term harms by damaging your skin barrier. Avoid lemon juice over skin. It may have citric acid, but it's far too acidic. It can cause dark spots to appear after sun exposure. It can also dry and irritate your skin. Avoid baking soda over skin. At a pH level of 8, baking soda will stress your skin. Significantly decreases your skin's water content. It causes dry skin. Avoid raw garlic over skin. Raw garlic can cause skin allergies like eczema, skin inflammation, and watery blisters. Avoid toothpaste over skin. The ingredients in toothpaste may kill germs and absorb oil, but they can also dry out or irritate your skin. Avoid sugar over skin. As an exfoliant, sugar is too harsh for the skin on your face. Avoid direct application of vitamin E on your skin. Topical application of vitamin E can irritate your skin and is not proven to improve scar appearance.